4.4-wheel drive. Sunroof. Leather. 2005 Chevrolet TrailBlazer 4-wheel drive, Summit White with gray heated leather seating, 4.2 INLINE E6 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, clean Carfax. No accidents. Let's go over all the funyuns. Power windows, power locks, power glass sunroof, BOSE premium sound, deep tinted rear windows, tow hooks, all serviced up with a professional detail and ready to go. Come on in today, and take this TrailBlazer for a whirl around our Chevrolet of Naperville test track. See y'all soon. One low price, plain and simple. Always.